Don't sleep on them curls. Look at that. Ooh, curls. Curls for the girls. Them girls is calling because they see them curls.
I'm both up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I just fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, through with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm both up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I just fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, through with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel?
Yo, what's good, my guys? We back with another banger. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to moisturize, re-moisturize your curls, get them curls for the girls, and get the moisturization. You see my hair is in braids, these crusty ass braids. I just put them in these braids just to, for me, deep condition my hair. Showing y'all the little plaits around or whatever. Yes, I did these braids myself. You know your boy. I got them braiders. I got the braiders on the back, man. Shut the fuck up. Man, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need. Y'all need some apple cider vinegar. That's what's in this bottle. It's apple cider vinegar mixed with a little bit of water. That's good for your hair. Use that. Also some sulfur 8. This is for my scalp to relinquish itch because I have itchy scalp. So if you also have itchy scalp, you can use this for your hair as well. Then we're using grease. Yes, good old grease. I do not use oil in my hair like that anymore because it doesn't work for me. You can also use grease as well. Next, we're going to be using curling cream. Curling cream. And this is just regular curling cream for like the dollar store. Like it's not no, you feel me, special quality curling cream. Like it's really just $1 for me from the store. Like, then we got the wide tooth comb, you feel me, with the wide teeth, obviously. Okay. You get it? But first we're gonna start off with spraying the hair with apple cider vinegar. Make sure you hit your scalp and make sure you also hit your hair as well. The apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits for your hair. It cleanses the scalp. It brings your hair pH balance back to what is it, 5 or 6? I think that's your natural hair's pH, I believe. And it's just overall just great to just seal your cuticles and keep in moisture and trap in moisture. At the same time, it's just all around just good for your hair, you feel me? And it's natural, like why not? Why not? You feel me? Why not? Duh. Next thing is the curling cream. The curling cream. Just need a little bit, for me. That should look weird. Just for a little bit at the ends. For me, you want to focus on the ends because that's the oldest and the driest part of your hair. You feel me? So whenever you put any type of like curling cream or conditioner or leave-in, whatever, you want to start at the ends because that's the end. That's the part of your hair that's going to be the most prone to break off first, not the hair at the roots, the hair at the end. So you should focus mostly on your ends, which is what I'm doing now. And I'm working the product up towards my roots so also I can get my roots. And what the hell am I doing here? Oh, I'm adding some more curling cream. Okay, yeah. Add some more as need be. For me, I got a lot of thick hair, so like I really gotta work it in. I got 4B, 4C type high porosity hair. So like the product, it absorbs into my hair very well, but I still have to rub it in a little bit because my hair is so thick. Like it's mad thick. Like, look at that joint. That thing thick, boy. That thing thick, boy. That thing thick.
Relax.
Chill. But after that, I'm going to take the, what am I doing? I'm about to roast myself. I'm taking way too damn long. What am I doing? Look at this nigga. He's trying to show up. Look at the muscles. Look at the muscles. I know y'all see the muscles. Your boy been working out, man. Now I take the sulfur 8. You feel me? You want to apply this to your scalp. You only really need a little bit. Don't go overboard. It's gonna help your itchy scalp, and also it helps your hair grow a lot. Like the sulfur 8, don't sleep on the sulfur 8, guys. It does smell like a little like weird, but it definitely helps your hair grow greatly. Like there's a lot of people that have a lot of good things to say about sulfur 8. So don't sleep on the sulfur 8. I mean, next time you hit up Walmart or whatever, pick some sulfur 8, man. All right, next thing is the grease. The grease is the last step because this is what we're using to seal in the moisture that we just applied onto our hair. And we're starting again from the ends and working our way up. Start from the ends, work your way up. Start from the ends and work your way up.
Oh man, that nigga's tripping.
You don't even gotta rap. Why you rapping? Like, I'm over here, yo. I'm bugging. But yeah, you don't need too much grease or whatever. You just need like a little bit. A little bit definitely goes a long way. That's the thing with grease. Like, you don't have to use too much because if you use too much, it's gonna be too much. Like, it's gonna be too much. So you just need like a little bit. And if you need more, you can always buy a little bit more. You feel me? But a little does go a long way. A little does go a long way. Don't be like me and use too much because I've had situations where I've used too much and my hair was just left mad greasy and like it's just not okay. But you feel me? All you need is a little bit. Now here, what I'm doing is I'm braiding my hair back up in the braids, just like you see. The little, what is it called? The Travis Scott braids coming down, not a little behind Travis Scott braids. My hair it's long, but it's not that long. Not as long as Travis Scott. You feel me? But I'm basically just braiding it that back up. I'm not braiding it any specific way or trying to like make it look nice. Like honestly, I don't really care to make it look nice. This is really just me braiding my hair just so I can just keep it stretched and let my hair dry in a stretched style. I mean, that way I can go back later on and braid it the way that I actually do braid it to where it looks nice. You feel me? Right now, I'm not really focusing on the parts or any like special braiding or whatever. I'm just simply just braiding it down. And I'm trying to show y'all what I'm doing so y'all can see the braids. I'm also gonna do a tutorial in the future on like these kind of braids, the ones that come down. I did one recently on cornrow braids going back, but I'm also gonna do one on like braids going down, like the Travis Scott type braids. And I'm gonna make them look like real nice. Like if I was focusing on my parting, y'all would see them parting, but I don't play around when it comes to parting, baby. The parting, I do this. I do this. I see that braids, okay, little, you feel me, little braid or whatever. Hair getting long, the hair getting long in the back. Hair getting long, boy. I'm back, and now I'm going to show y'all the same process in the front, so y'all can see it a little bit better. So here I am taking down my hair. And this process, honestly, it didn't even take that long. I'm not even gonna lie, it didn't take long at all. Like, it probably took me a little bit under an hour to re-moisturize my whole head. But then again, I was going slow, and at the same time, I was listening to music. So I did stop in between to like, you know, have my little dance off or whatever.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
I be having fun when I'm doing my hair. I don't know about y'all, but listen, I like to have fun. I like to have fun. I like to laugh. You feel me? So it's like, why not have fun while you're doing your hair? Why not? Why not enjoy yourself? Why be at home? You feel me? Cooped up in quarantine and be miserable? Like, nah, man, have fun. Every little thing you do, have fun. So here I am applying the apple cider vinegar to my scalp, to my hair. Make sure to rub that in and make sure it reaches every strand of hair. Rub that in. Use more if you need to. But it does run, so like don't use like too much. It's gonna run from me. So it's apple cider vinegar, but it's good, really, really good for your hair. Really, really good for your hair. Trust me. Now I'm applying the curling cream. Get that curling cream, baby. Get that curling cream. And then I apply it from the ends up to my roots, and apply more if you need to. That's what we see. That's real easy. I know y'all see them curls though. Don't sleep on them curls. Look at that. Ooh, curls. Curls for the girls. Them girls is calling because they see them curls. That's what they want, man. You gotta get them curls, man. I'm gonna show you how to get them curls. I know y'all want them curls. I see y'all want them curls. I'm here to get the curls for the girls. All right, now I'm here. I'm applying the sulfur 8 to my scalp because I don't want an itchy scalp in the front. Apply it on different on both sides. You feel me? Make sure to really work it into your scalp, and even give yourself a little scalp massage as well, because that also stimulates more growth. And now I'm applying the grease to the ends of my hair and working my way up. As you can see, got a little bit more. And my hair in the front is a lot looser than the hairs in the back. That's why the hairs in the front of my head are like more loose curls, whereas the hair in the back of my head is more like tighter curls. You feel me? Yeah, a lot of people have like different textures in their head, so it's fine. It's not nothing that's weird or anything. Like, it's very normal. It's very normal. I don't know of anyone that has strictly one texture all over their head. Like, I think that's actually pretty rare. So then after that, I'm going to braid it back up, and hopefully you guys can see how I braid. All right, so here I am. I'm braiding my hair back up in the same style that it was before. I'm not focusing on any type of like particular technique or anything. I'm not trying to make it look nice. I'm literally just braiding it up just so my hair can be out of the way and it can dry stretched, because I want to keep my hair stretched, because with type 4 hair that I have, my hair shrinks up and I get a lot of shrinkage. And with shrinkage comes a lot of tangles, and I don't want any tangles. So I want to just keep my hair stretched as much as I can. So here I am, I'm showing y'all my braiding skills, the braiding styles. And guys out there, it's not hard to braid. It's not. It's really just the technique and muscle memory. Honestly, if I can do it, y'all can do it. If I can do it, y'all can do it, man. You see me braiding. You see me braiding. Ain't no thing. Ain't no thing but a chicken wang. Ain't no thing but a chicken wang. Man, like, y'all can do it, man. I hear so many people that tell me, oh, it's too hard for me to braid. I don't know how to do that. Like, it's just practice. It just takes practice. The way that you guys are watching me braid right now, that's part of the practice, because you're seeing it done. You feel me? So I want y'all to do this. When y'all are braiding your hair and doing this method to re-moisturize your hair, I want you guys to go back to the video and watch this video as you braid your hair. You feel me? Because watching it and practicing it while you're watching somebody do it, like, it helps that much better, and it helps you learn that much faster. You feel me? Because you can literally follow every single movement that you see me do while I'm doing it. You feel me? So it's like, it's just more helpful than you just doing it by yourself in the mirror. You feel me? Because you might miss some steps. You might not really get the whole the movement, the motion of it. And once I get to the ends, I'm just twirling it around my fingers just to make sure, you feel me, everything's secured down. Show y'all the final look. My peasy ass head. Got the 6 braids, 3 on each side. I'm not gonna lie, them braids look pretty legit. Don't worry about the parts. Don't worry about them parts. If y'all try to come for me for them parts, I'm roasting every single one of y'all. I'm roasting all of y'all. It's like, nah, but yeah, man, y'all can braid too. If I can do it, you can do it. This is how you moisturize your hair. You feel me? And this leaves my hair very moisturized. Like, I'm talking like a week or 2. I don't have to do this again. So, man, it's pretty easy. Ain't nothing to it but a chicken wang. You know what I mean? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get you those pearls for the girls. And we out, man.
I'm both up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping.